What is up, everybody? I'd like to welcome you back to another do-it-yourself video. Today I'm going to show you how to change out an air filter on a 2002 Chevy Cavalier, so stay tuned. So as always, when working around a vehicle, make sure to be safe. If you're unsure about something, consult a professional. Other than that, changing out an air filter is pretty straightforward, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you got to locate the air filter. So what you do first is you open up the hood of your car, and it should be located on the right hand side, right above the battery. And there's 4 screws usually, one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here, usually under this electrical line right here. And the way you can remove those electrical line, there's a couple of retaining clips. Just go ahead and remove the retaining clips and that line should come away. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that now. Should just be able to push the clip down and then slide. And the line should just be able to come free like that. Just tuck it out to the side. Then you can go ahead and unscrew the screws. I apologize, it's a little windy today. It's only 4 screws. You can either use a flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver, whichever one is fine. Once you get them all loosened up, you want to go ahead and pull this to the side. There, you don't have to move it that much in order for you to get the filter out. And voila, here's the filter. As you can tell, the filter is a little dirty. I haven't changed it in a few months. I recommend changing the filter, I don't know, check it every 3 to 4 months, see what the condition is, and if it's really bad, go ahead and change it out. If not, then you can go ahead and leave it in. But as you can tell, when you open up, if you're unable to see the sunlight through the filter, that usually means that it's bad. As you can tell, it's super dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Okay, here's a new filter, and here's an old filter. Let me go ahead and give you guys a side-by-side comparison. See the difference? Big time. The one on the right is the new one, the one on the left is the old one. I don't know if you can tell, you can see the sunlight through there on the right one, but on the left one you can't. Yep, it's time to change it out. Just make sure to match them up, make sure that they're right size, and you're good to go. So you want to make sure that there's no debris or anything inside the filter. Mine, there's a little bit of debris right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean some of that out. Alright, want to go ahead and just stick the filter in there. Just go ahead and slide it in there, just like that. That's what it should look like once you set it in there. Once you set it in there, make sure it sits in there flat. Make sure it sits in there nice and flat. Once it sits in there nice and flat, you can go ahead and put the lid on there. If you see a gap between the lid, that means that it's not seated correctly. You just want to make sure that the filter is seated in there correctly. Get it all screwed down. screw them down all evenly. Don't want to tighten one up before the other. You just want to snug it in there, and then you'll go back and then retighten them once you got them all snug, just so you don't crack a portion of the lid or anything. Alright, you got that all tightened down. You want to go ahead and get the electrical line that's attached to the fuel filter, and then just go ahead and rerun it back through the clips so it's nice and neat. Cable management is very important. Okay, so once you got it in there, you can just go ahead and snap the clips back on there. You're all set. If you liked the video and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I appreciate all the new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. Glad you guys are enjoying the content that I have on here. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else that you might want to see, go ahead and let me know, and I'll see if I can make that happen, okay? Like I said, once again, thank you everybody for tuning in, and you guys have a great day. Peace.